The Midea compact front-load washer is built to meet modern family needs with its efficient design, powerful features, and user-friendly technology. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this washing machine in the description below at the latest price. Designed with a 2.5 cubic feet capacity, this compact washer fits neatly into smaller laundry spaces without sacrificing performance. Whether you live in a small apartment, condo, or simply need a secondary laundry unit, this washer delivers full-size functionality in a space-saving form. It also features a front-load design, which is not only ergonomically convenient but also improves energy and water efficiency. One of the standout features of this Midea model is its advanced steam care technology. The built-in steam function gently loosens stains and penetrates deep into fabric fibers, making it ideal for delicate garments as well as tough laundry jobs. At the same time, the cold wash cycle is engineered to reduce color fading and fabric shrinkage while maintaining powerful cleaning performance, perfect for preserving your favorite clothes while cutting down on energy costs. The internal heater boosts water temperatures to 152 degrees Fahrenheit, tackling stubborn dirt, pet dander, and allergens with ease, making it a great choice for families with pets or sensitive skin. This washer is powered by a brushless inverter motor, delivering quieter, more efficient operation with reduced vibration and wear, backed by a reassuring 10-year warranty. With a maximum rotational speed of 1400 RPM, your clothes come out drier, reducing drying time and energy use. The stackable design allows it to pair seamlessly with a dryer, maximizing vertical space. Every detail, from the water inlet hose included to its sleek white finish, is designed with modern convenience in mind. With a solid ranking among top washing machines and thousands of satisfied users, the Midea MLH25N7BWW is a smart, reliable addition to any home laundry setup.